Hello everyone, Brian Soderholm from WCC, also known as Water Control Corporation. Today I wanted to do a quick overview of the US EPA's National Primary Drinking Water Standards. If you download the official PDF of these standards, available at epa.gov, you'll see a chart, currently about 7 pages long, listing each contaminant and categorizing it into one of 6 groups. Those groups being disinfectants, disinfection byproducts, inorganic chemicals, microorganisms, organic chemicals, and radionuclides. The next column in the chart will tell you the MCL, which stands for the Maximum Contaminant Level. Most of the MCLs are quantified in milligrams per liter, which is the same as parts per million, though other units are used as well for specific substances. The third column describes the negative health effects of exposure to each contaminant, and the fourth column clarifies the common ways that they enter our drinking water supplies. Finally, the last column spells out a non-enforceable public health goal for each contaminant. In many cases, the public health goal is to have none of a specific substance in the water, a good example being lead, though the MCL level may allow for some of that contaminant. Speaking to the 6 contaminant categories, disinfectants include commonly used treatment chemicals like chlorine, chloramine, and chlorine dioxide. Disinfection byproducts include trihalomethanes, or THMs, and bromates, which can form when various disinfectants mix with organics in the water. Most of these substances are harmful because they cause cancer. Inorganic chemicals make up most of the usual contaminants that folks focus on, including heavy metals like copper and lead, nitrate, fluoride, and arsenic. Microorganisms, of course, would be any harmful bacteria, viruses, or protozoans in the water. Organic chemicals make up a very broad category of primarily man-made chemical pollutants that infiltrate water supplies due to industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, and more. Note that many emerging contaminants, including forever chemicals like PFAS, are still under evaluation, and they have yet to make this list, even though we know that they're harmful. In some cases, individual states have actually opted to put regulations in place due to a lack of federal enforcement or a disagreement over MCL levels. The last contaminant category is radionuclides. These are radioactive substances such as radon and uranium. In most cases, these are in our water due to the erosion of natural deposits in the earth, but not always. The last page of the PDF contains a different chart called the National Secondary Drinking Water Standards. This is a non-enforceable set of recommendations primarily having to do with water aesthetics like taste and odor. There are currently 15 nuisance contaminants listed in this chart, including chloride, color, iron, and zinc. Note that some of these substances are also listed in the National Primary Drinking Water Standards, albeit in much higher levels than on this secondary chart. WCC can help you with the mitigation or removal of just about any of these primary or secondary contaminants. We have a wide network of expertise and technologies to draw upon. Contact us today to get started on your project.